Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of our SMS-iT Smart Tools Money Making series. And our featured smart tool for today is going to be the Q&A SMS Bot. Let's go ahead and start. What is Q&A SMS Bot, by the way? It's a smart tool that it can create automated SMS questions and responses that start when a keyword is texted. You can construct as many questions as you like in a series. And when someone texts the keyword link with that Q&A SMS bot, they will receive the first question in the sequence. So it's technically like an AI, and Q&A means question and answer. So if ever they text a keyword, that would trigger the bot or the AI to start sending out this question and answer. They will receive the following question in the series after answering the first question, and so on until the last question. Each question, Q&A SMS bot will be assigned a keyword, and if the person who texts in the keyword is not already on your contact list for the group you choose here, then they will be added immediately. So that's great. They will be added into the group if they're not added yet once they text the keyword. And um, if it's not really that clear yet, we have a sample that we made here. So in this example, we are gonna be in the real estate business, and I'm sending a potential customer or audience that if they're interested in buying some property, and just wanted them to text the keyword land, and we will be sending them all the info that they need for the property. So right there, and I sent the message. Now I'll be transferring in the customer side, customer facing here. As you can see, I've received the message already stating if I'm interested in buying some property. This is from the SMS-iT platform, by the way. That's why it might be familiar with you. So as stated there in the text message, I just need to text the keyword land, and they'll be sending in the info for the property. So I'm responding with the keyword land. And there's another follow-up question. If what type of property am I looking for? Is it a townhouse, apartment, or condominium? So I'm choosing A, which is townhouse, because I just need to reply with a letter of my choice. And there you go, letter A. There will be another response corresponding to letter A, which is good for a mid-sized family. How many rooms? And then the next question is, how many rooms am I looking for? So I have A2, B3, C4. And I just need to reply with my under a letter of my choice, which is C right here. And 4 rooms, and it says thank you for your response. Which state would you prefer? So I'll be asking the Texas, California, or New York. And then I actually wanted to go back to the main question. So I wanted to send the response land. And it's going to go back to the main question of what type of property am I looking for. But there is an option for this to finish all the question. And let me show you here how I did this by going to our SMS platform. So it's actually under here in Smart Tools from your left menu, and then just go to Q&A SMS Bot. And this is actually the Q&A SMS Bot that I created for real estate, as you can see. So if you can see, the keyword that I entered is land, and what type of the first question, if you recall, is what type of property are you looking for? So we have the A, the townhouse, and then you can add that from here if you want to add a question or an answer. So A is townhouse, B is for apartment, and I can add more additional right here if I wanted to. If I wanted to add some additional question, that would be at the bottom right here so that it would just go on. Now, on this part right here is what I shown you. If the option for finish all question is not checked, so as you can see here, if checked, the person must finish all the questions being asked in the sequence before they can text in the keyword again. If not checked, they can text in the keyword before they finish and they will get the first question in the sequence again. So let me just continue with this one right here. As you can see, I went for the condominium. But if I click on finish all questions, right? So I will choose B. And it says very good for couples. How many rooms I'm looking for. Then I type in the keyword land again because I wanted to start back. But remember, I've clicked the finish all questions. So what it's going to say now is that you must finish all questions in the sequence before texting in the keyword again. So that means I have to finish all the questions because I've checked it here. But if I unchecked it, then I can just proceed with texting the keyword again so that I would go back to the main question. So that's really neat, really very nice to use, depending on the scenario though. And as you can see here, if I go to the person icon right here in Q&A SMS bot, you would know who responded, which number as well, what answer they made for that question, which is really neat. Very, really helpful because data is really important today. And that's it. That's how you really use the Q&A SMS bot. And if you need to look up some use cases about this smart tool, I would be posting the link again into a blog made from one of our colleagues in the description. So go ahead and click on that one. And aside from that, just to give you another reminder, this is going to be our new pricing table for the version 2.0. I suggest that you grab your subscription today because you will be grandfathered into your version 2.0 automatically be upgraded. And go ahead and grab it now before the price increases. And you would have starter, business, and enterprise here. We would have new features and workflow automations, one of the best new feature that you would expect in version 2.0. And that's about it. If you haven't joined our group as well, please join in the group. I'll be posting it on the link description as well down below. Go ahead and join so that our community can assist you with anything that you need. So see you again in the next episode. Thank you so much. Have a good day.